Have you ever seen a single person going into that factory?
There must be people working there.
The only thing that comes out of that place is the candy.
Dear people of the world, I, Willy Wonka, have decided to allow 5 children to visit my factory.
5 golden tickets have been hidden underneath the wrapping paper of 5 ordinary Wonka bars.
Wouldn't it be something to open a bar of candy and find a golden ticket?
Please enter.
AUGUSTUS GLOOP, I love the chocolate.
I can see that. Ew.
Happy Halloween day 3! Well, technically this is my second video, but because it's every other day, this is day 3, which is the second video. A little bit confusing, whatever, just roll with it. Like Augustus did into the chocolate river. Yes, we celebrate all month in this household, but the first of these little shit kids is Augustus Gloop. As with every body paint or special effects video, I'm starting off with mapping out what the look is going to roughly look like or become. I'm using an eyebrow marker because, honestly, because I can and it works. But you can definitely use any kind of marker as long as it's obviously not permanent, as long as it's face safe. Making some drip outlines across my forehead. And down my neck. Don't ask why I'm dripping it down my neck, not down my face any further. Just respect the drip. As for the paint job, I'm using a water activated paint rightfully named chocolate brown, and I'm doing the absolute least with filling it all in, switching back and forth between a packing brush and a detailing brush. Once I've got the basics down, it's time for maximum effort here, Deadpool reference there, with going in to the hairline, which soaks up a lot, like a lot. And because I, Augustus Gloop, eat so much chocolate, it tends to get a little bit around my mouth. A brown lipstick, this is a satin finish, so it can be blended out a little bit better than, say, a matte for the next step, which is I'm going to be taking Storybook Cosmetics Charlie and the Chocolate Factory palettes Wonka Bar, once again appropriately named, and using it to blend out the lipstick, and then using it to add some shading and definition to the chocolate drips. This is also going to set it in certain places. Now on to how to make the Wonka Bar in itself in a non-baking sense. I actually went through hell printing this out to make it actually match down to the perfect size, I guess, of my chocolate bar, which is one of my favorites. Once I finally had the sizing down, I cut it out and used a reference photo to color the entire thing. This was literally just acrylic paint, so it did chip a little bit, but honestly I just needed it for this photo shoot, so it didn't really matter. You definitely wouldn't need to do this if you had a color printer, a lot less steps, but I do not, unfortunately. This was a long process because the devil is in the details, or whatever that means. Basically, details are everything to me. Cut the excess off of both the chocolate bar and the printout. And I painted the last bit of the chocolate bar wrapper that would be showing, and I painted it yellow. Same as the outside of the printed out Wonka label. Yes, I did just casually forget what the color yellow was called. I even took a little bit of tinfoil and colored it with a gold yellow to give the appearance of the golden ticket. Obviously it doesn't say golden ticket, but the appearance does. Ripped it to fit, which was a tiny squeeze. That's what she said. And then super glued the Wonka logo to the front to make it look a little bit worn, and there you have it. I am just doing final touches on whatever needs to be touched up in the end, but while I have you here, we're not really doing all that much. Comment, like, subscribe if you want to. I'd love to see you around a little bit more, guys.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.